Hi, my name is Abbey Murdoch and I'm an ACE 2024 studio artist. I'm a video, sculpture and installation artist with a heavy focus on housing activism. As a little kid growing up, kind of low income, we didn't really have much to make art with, but I was always making and always doing things with recycled materials and things I found laying around the house. After high school, I was pushed to pursue what I wanted to pursue, which was art, and went to art school for about 5 years, and through that found that telling my own story, telling my experience and voicing my emotions through art making was really important to me and something that I really wanted to pursue. And then ended up here at ACE. A lot of my work when I was at art school was a lot about my childhood and growing up as a child with disabilities and growing up queer. A lot of my work was surrounded by those themes, and it wasn't until my last year at uni, my honours year, that I realised a lot of the work I was making was about home and where I came from and my experiences of growing up low income and how they influenced my life. And I found that a lot of the art I was consuming around me and while I was at art school was very different to that experience, and the experience that I had growing up was something that I didn't see a lot of, and I wanted to talk about that more, and I wanted that to be a more common thing that was discussed in the world and in the arts, and something that people shouldn't be ashamed of. And the experience of growing up in housing trust homes and the insecurity that comes along with that. So I work a lot with what I call the material language of the home. So that's using a lot of the materials you can find in the actual structure of the home, that being wood, brick, glass, metal, all of the things that make up that structure, and kind of manipulating those materials to create these forms of works that talk to that structure and that almost parental figure that my work is trying to echo. I also use a lot of video documentation that I see as almost paying witness, or like documenting these homes and the places that I've come from as a form of direct linkage between the person in the gallery and the place that I'm talking about. So this brick I created with concrete. I poured that into a silicone mould that I had taken of a found brick. I had implemented the swirls and really ingrained them into the structure of the brick to try and talk about how ingrained this motif of the swirl is in public housing and how it really represents the community ties and relationships to each other, the cycles of poverty and the connectedness of community in these spaces. When members of my community see the work, I would like for them to feel seen and recognised and understood within a space that they are not normally talked about and not normally showcased. But for people that haven't had that experience before and don't understand the struggles of living within public housing, I hope they see this work and understand that the people within public housing are people too, and everybody deserves housing. It's a blessing to have a roof over your head and have a structure that protects you, and breaking down the negative connotations of public housing and the people that survive within public housing. The ACE studio really gave me a space to just create a mess and be able to explore my materials and explore all these research themes that I've been wanting to look into, and to share this with some other really beautiful artists and make some really lasting friendships and connections between artists has been really great. For Studio 2024, I created a work based on my research of the suburb of Kilburn and the gentrification of that community. A lot of the houses there are either politically neglected, left abandoned, or still lived in by members of community. And this creates a huge problem within that space because there's empty lots which dry out and create hazards for fires. The boarded up homes become a danger to the people that are still living in community, as anybody could be within those homes, and a lot of these people walk around and are unsure of what to expect. So the work itself is a layered installation with a video work displayed upon the wall, a lace curtain in the shape of a house in front of that projection, and then bricks in the shape of that swirl pattern, kind of echoing that sense of guarding or fencing off and really representing that inaccessibility of home. Within the video work you can hear 3 voices of members of community from 3 different generations, kind of describing their experiences of public housing, describing what their home was like, describing what public housing was like in their time. And one of those voices are someone from the actual area of Kilburn talking about the political neglect of her area.